Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your camera glitch in Roblox Mobile. So if you're facing this glitch, the first thing you need to do is open up your Roblox setting. For that, you can click on the Roblox logo at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on the Roblox logo, it's going to show you this. From over here, what you can do is click on this button called setting at the top. And from inside setting, over here where it says camera mode, it's on default. But if you are facing the problem, right below camera mode, you can see this option called movement mode. You want to change your movement mode to classic thumb. Once you switch your movement mode to classic thumb, you can just close your setting again. And now you guys are going to see thumb button at the bottom appear, as you guys can see. Now you should not face any camera problem doing this. But if you're still facing camera issue even after doing this, what you can do is for now close your Roblox. Once you close your Roblox game, you need to open up your App Store. From inside App Store, you need to search for Roblox and see if there's any update available. My says open, that means it's up to date, but if I click on update, if it showed me updated my Roblox, my problem should be fixed. Sometimes it's due to a glitch and Roblox provides updates, so after doing that, your glitch should be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix your camera bug in Roblox Mobile. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.